Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix iPhone battery draining while charging. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, what you're going to do is, first of all, you need to remember is that if your phone's battery drains while charging, you have to make sure that you are not using a resource heavy apps like gaming, like video calls, or like using the camera while you're charging your phone. If you do that, then your battery will drain. So what you have to do is you have to simply turn on airplane mode and then charge your phone. Next thing you need to remember is you need to use a certified Apple wall adapter and original cable instead of PC USB port or low amperage brick. Make sure to do that. Next thing, if that does not work, simply unplug your phone from the charger and cool down your phone for a while. Once it's cooled down, then again try charging. If still doesn't work, then there is a problem in your charger. So what you need to do is you need to take your cable and your adapter to the nearest Apple certified store and then get it checked. Once you have get it checked, and then you should be able to use it. Next thing what you need to do is you need to simply go to your settings. From this section, you're gonna go to battery, and you're gonna go to this section of battery health and charging and see the battery health. If your battery health is below 80%, that means you will have some problems, and that must be the reason that your battery is draining while charging. Those are things that you can check on, and that should be it. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.